We are under a severe thunderstorm warning here. Stone Mountain, Georgia. Power has been flashing on and off. And we are just now getting into some of the worst of it here. There was a tornado warning off to our north, which expired at 8 o'clock about 7 minutes ago. But it is just pouring rain right now. And a lot of lightning. Like that right there. Like absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. Say what? Not much in the ways of wind, just a lot of lightning. And extremely heavy rains. I wouldn't be surprised if they had to put out a... But the thing is moving really fast. Purple lightning right there. Absolutely insane. Like continuous lightning. No hail yet. Ridiculous lightning though. This is Just Pisani live from Stone Mountain, Georgia.